The last time I was in Lira was about like 8 or so years ago, 7 I think, and Maros was there. I met another guy called Mozebi. Is he still there? I was like a legendary artist. He passed on. There's also Okeng Bontown. Okeng was both a comedian and I think an artist. And then of course there is Blood Moon. That one comes here. He's also a promoter, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, so at least I understand the industry.
What about the other guy? Owe Makere or Yakuba Chisawe? What's his name? The name of the guy.
No, that one's from Arua.
Hey, Monopoly. He's from Arua, eh? Hey, okay.
So Lira, it's good to have you on the show. We've not really shined the spotlight on Lira. This is good. It's a good step forward. This does not mean Lira has only 3 artists. There are actually more than that. I personally have interacted with some of those, and of course it's a which we're about to find out. But I think let's first of all profile those that are on the show. Let me start with the new kids on the block. Then I'll talk to my brother Maros.
Actually, me even I thought this is like the B2Cs of Lira.
No,
I just thought.
Let me start on my immediate right. Ambrose, yes. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing good.
How is they said Lira or Lira?
Okay, that's according to how your
Your
dialect says.
Yes.
Yeah, but from there we call it lira.
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 Like I was told, it's not Gulu, it's Gulu.
Gulu.
So together by Igiriza slowly by slowly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now Arua, Moroto, Kampala, Mbarara.
Now you get it.
So fake. Anyway, tell us about yourself.
My name is Good Ambrose Uji, and
Pardon?
Good Ambrose Uji.
Ambrose Uji.
I am a branded reggae artist from northern Uganda.
Reggae artist.
Yeah,
Okay.
multi-win what like
You have some awards on there?
Yes, I have many there.
Did you perform that show in Gulu? Sure.
Actually, I was engaged elsewhere.
Okay.
I think Professor was
You
there.
performed. You know, I was sleeping across.
First, when I saw, Pop Smoky, I thought maybe you were like hip hop.
Not really. So you have the Smokies image and all that.
Yeah.
At the back of your mind. Then definitely, we relate.
Okay. Let me go over there.
Thank you so much, Douglas. I am called J Mafia TNK. I do majorly R&B from the north.
Yes.
Yeah, my real name's Omaro Walter Odur. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's briefly about me.
Are you a big name up there?
Yeah, I
need to
consider
be sure.
myself one. Yeah.
They are watching those that you left there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
I consider myself one of the
Okay.
best. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, true.
And of course, my boy Maros. Maros has been around.
Yeah, Douglas.
Hey,
I'm so happy to
It's been
see
a
you.
minute, man.
I tell you,
I remember that. Which hotel was that where we did the purple party?
Lira Hotel.
Lira Hotel.
Yeah,
I remember nights when we had J Chameleon, we had a
a number of artists. Yeah, we were very many. I was one of the performers
Is the
as
hotel
well.
still around?
It is still there. In fact, you need to come again. Remember, we've been talking about bringing Purple Party back to Lira.
Chitaka.
Yeah.
These are the guys who say we need to perform. All our guys need to perform. Then come in. These ones are okay.
We are soft. We are nice.
Issues we got them in Kulu, not
Yeah.
not Lira. But Lira has us. Anyway, how's the industry so far?
The industry in Lango, I should say, is thriving. That's the reason why we are here.
Yes.
For starters, we've been longing to come here on an NBS After 5 with
Yeah.
you guys. We are huge fans of this program. So we are trying. And as you said in the beginning, when people talk about Northern Uganda, all minds rush to Gulu. But
Yes.
we have great talents in Lango as well.
Yes.
Personal experience that you remember the late Muzebi.
Yes,
So
yes,
what
yes.
happens between Lira and Gulu is that Gulu comes in, they dominate for 2-3 years,
Yes.
and then Lira again comes,
And then
dominate.
dominates.
Yeah,
So it's a competition between Gulu and Lira.
correct, and it's a healthy one.
And what I saw about Lira is they also have a very huge population. Like there's
Yeah.
Olabanga, mini where we have like a lot of
Correct.
Guys, we have free.
It's one of the busiest cities in the country.
plus for you guys.
Exactly.
You
That's
guys are
a
pushing music,
bonus.
Concerts, attendance.
And I can testify that, right?